From the organizational homepage, select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. From your course level navbar, select Grades to access the Grades tool. You can also access the Grades tool through your course admin link if you do not have the Grades link on your course navbar. The Configure Personal Grades tool settings allow faculty to set up their own personal gradebook view. These settings will not be available to students. In the Grades tool, click Settings at the top right. Set Personal Display Options. These configurations include user details, including what information is displayed for your students, including username or org-defined ID, such as student number, grade details, including points, grade scheme symbol, as well as grade scheme color, number of characters to display for text items, number of columns before user details repeat, number of users before column header repeats, repeat final grades, start page. Select the default starting page when launching the Grades tool. Includes enter grades, manage grades, grade settings, grade schemes, and setup wizard. The Configure Org Unit display options, select the Org Unit display options to configure your course display settings. The Configure Org Unit display options are settings that are used to set the default for other users, such as students, when viewing the gradebook. Set the Managing View display options. This setting controls how many decimals will be displayed to a user grading a course. This value must be an integer between 0 and 5. Set the Student View display options. Grade details, including points, grade scheme symbol, as well as grade scheme color, characters displayed, final grade calculation, and ePortfolio artifacts. Select Save, then Close. The Configure Grade Calculation option settings allows for the configuration and adjustment of the overall grading system. From the Settings page, select Calculation options to configure your grade calculation settings. Many of these settings can be set up using the Setup Wizard. Grading system, weighted, points or formula, final grade released, calculated or adjusted, drop ungraded items or treat them as a 0, auto update, automatically keep final grades updated. Select Save, then Close.